In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Turbotax account. If you've been looking to manage your taxes effectively using Turbotax, then you're in the right place. We'll guide you through a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Let's dive straight in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Turbotax website. You can easily find it by entering turbotax.intuit.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This is the official site where you can file your taxes online, make use of multiple tax tools, and ensure your tax filing process is smooth and stress-free. Once you're on the site's homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the page. You should see a sign up option prominently displayed. Click on this button and you'll be directed to the account creation page. This option is specifically for new users stepping into the world of Turbotax. So if you've never signed up before, this is where you start your journey. Now you'll be prompted to enter some personal information to create your new account. This includes your email address, a password, and a phone number. Choose a strong password that you can remember but is difficult for others to guess. It's crucial to include a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance the security of your account. Once you've entered these details, double check them to ensure everything is correct and properly formatted. After you've filled out all the required fields, locate the Create an Intuit Account button and click it. This action signals Turbotax to save your information and set up your new account. In just a few seconds, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully created. And congratulations, just like that, you've made it through the process of setting up your Turbotax account. At this stage, you'll likely receive a verification email from Turbotax in your inbox. Make sure to check for this email, including your spam or junk folder if it doesn't appear right away. Follow the emailed instructions to verify your account, which is a necessary step to complete the setup process, and ensure your future login experiences are seamless. That's all there is to it. By creating your Turbotax account, you've taken a significant first step in managing your taxes more efficiently. Remember, having an account allows you to access all of Turbotax's features, keep track of past tax filings, and revisit whenever you need to update information or begin a new tax season. If you encounter any issues during this process or have specific questions about Turbotax features, their support center is just a click away, ready to assist you. Thanks for following along and happy tax filing.